all of this, there's still more on the way. There's still more. You know what I need from this video? I need you to like and comment and say, hurry up, tell packages to come in already, right? So, since we can't do all the packages today, I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek. Without any further ado, let me open this package for y'all. Boom. One and two. What's in this one? Let's find out. Y'all probably like, what is that? So let me get these out and then I'm gonna explain it. Tray ball. And what is this one? Batteries.